Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add a calendar widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to enter the home screen editor, and to do this, long press on an empty space on your screen. Then from here, select Widgets. Under Widgets, scroll through the various categories to look for Calendar and tap on it, and you should see the different styles that are available for you to choose from. So choose the style that suits your preferences, and then tap on Add so that it's added onto your home screen. And then from here, you should see it has been added, but I'll need to tap on it to give the necessary permissions. So simply tap on it. Then from here, you'll need to allow the widget to access your calendar. You'll need to allow it to send notifications. And then once you've done that, you should now see your calendar widget is now functional. So from here, you can simply move the widget around. All you need to do is long press, and then drag it wherever you want on your home screen. To further customize the widget, say for example, you want to change the colors, simply long press on the widget and then select settings. And under settings, you can choose between the colors white and black. You can also increase or decrease the opacity of the widget, as well as have it match with dark mode. Then when you're happy with your customizations, tap on save, and you should see the changes have been applied. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.